this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see in the screen, hotel location, and there is some nearby attractions and landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and villages, etc. Room category. Category 5. Category 6. Next, we talk about the amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen. Yes, photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. And the hotel is attractive to guests who love to enjoy the surroundings. Schedules of rooms are available and you can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel along with various plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For more details, check in description box. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already visited this hotel, please share